how to use credit balance on Temu. So the first step is to simply open Temu and then simply go to the use section. Now simply tap on credit balance to make sure that you have money here. Now if you have money here, what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and then simply choose any of these products. So simply tap to add this to the cart, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply, so I'm gonna have to add more products, so let me add more, and then simply go to the checkout section. Here you're gonna have to simply enter some personal information and then simply tap on save. Now when you go to the checkout page, to the payment page, you're gonna have the option to use your credit balance, so simply choose that, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.